Blackfinch was founded on evolutionary principles inspired by the work of Charles Darwin. Our ability to adapt and evolve and our focus on helping others thrive are core to how we work. We're a whole-of-market investment manager providing a wide range of solutions suitable for investors in almost any situation. Our expert team brings expertise in tax-efficient solutions, property lending and renewable energy, alongside multi-asset investing. As an ESG investor, we're working for a positive impact and a more sustainable world.
Blackfinch Asset Management is an investment business and we work in partnership with your financial advisor. Our role is to manage the investments within your portfolio and to ensure that your investment portfolio delivers the returns that you've been led to expect. So importantly, your financial advisor will remain your primary point of contact. They have unrestricted access to our investment teams and we correspond regularly with your financial advisor, keeping them up to date and informed on any activity in your portfolio and what's going on in the investment markets. The Blackfinch Asset Management range of investment portfolios specifically target returns over inflation, or UK CPI. These are predetermined amounts to be delivered as a minimum over any rolling 5-year period. We also offer a solution that targets a specific level of income generation. A huge benefit of this approach is that you, the investor, understand exactly what investment returns to expect from your portfolio. And importantly, you can tell whether or not we are delivering on those objectives. Between you and your advisor, you can select the appropriate portfolio to deliver your financial goals in line with the risk that you are willing to take.
At Blackfinch, we're responsible for managing your investment portfolio. We take what's known as a multi-asset approach, which means we select investments with complementary characteristics. We also invest globally, which means we can take advantage of investment opportunities worldwide, while also allowing us to reduce the risk within your portfolio when necessary. The types of investments you'd expect to see within your portfolio are bonds, which are commonly known within the industry as fixed income, shares, which are also known as equities, property markets, and also alternatives. This is where you'll find such investments as renewable energy assets and infrastructure. The allocation to these asset classes changes as you move up through the risk scale, with more equities and less fixed income the more risk you're willing to take within your portfolio. At Blackfinch, we have a team of dedicated investment specialists whose full-time job is managing your investment portfolio. As active managers, we can make changes to the portfolio as market conditions dictate, both selling out of and buying into opportunities as we see them arise. Our focus at all times is making sure that we manage your investment portfolio within the designated risk profile, but also to give us the highest probability of meeting your investment objective. To give ourselves the best probability of meeting your investment objectives, we operate an unconstrained approach, means that we can be flexible in moving your money both globally and between asset classes, while making sure that we're operating within your risk profile at all times.
So as you may be aware already, ESG stands for environmental, social and governance. And basically these are 3 core factors that we look to analyse when selecting investments in your portfolio. So at its core, ESG integration is about ensuring the companies into which we invest take these factors into account in the day-to-day operations of their business as well as over the longer term. We strongly believe that businesses who take these factors into consideration are far better placed to deliver attractive financial returns long into the future. This is because these businesses are more willing to acknowledge and adapt to shifting consumer pressures and therefore are far better placed to appeal to a broader consumer base long into the future. What's really important to bear in mind is that any investment portfolio that you and your advisor select with Blackfinch Asset Management has ESG integration and factor analysis baked into it by default. This places us at the heart of a global community seeking to achieve a more sustainable financial system. So when it comes to ESG integration in our investment portfolios, we focus on a process called positive screening. What positive screening is effectively allowing us to enable to research and analyse a vast variety of sectors and investment opportunities and really gets us to understand the ESG threats and opportunities that different investments present.
There are a number of ways in which we will keep you updated with your investment portfolio. We provide a monthly fact sheet which will give you a market commentary and portfolio activity and also show you performance throughout the month. This will also detail any tactical deviations we've taken from the long-term asset allocation. We will also provide a quarterly investment report which will give you a more detailed insight into your portfolio. This will include an annotated performance chart, market commentary, and also details about each asset class and how it has performed throughout the period. We will also provide ad hoc market commentaries whenever there is something going on in markets which we believe that you should know about. All communication about your portfolio will come to you from your financial advisor. Importantly, they have an open line of communication to us at all times, so if you have any questions about your portfolio, please speak to your advisor. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this introduction to Blackfinch Asset Management.